everyone, welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. In today's video we're going to get straight into doing a bit of fabric slashing. I did one video before which you could check out, but this time I've got a load of different fabrics that I'm really looking forward to doing. So let's get into it. So today I'm going to be inspired by, do you remember this mind map, that video that I did recently? Well, I really love some of the colours going on in there, and I have got some fabrics here. Lots of scrap fabrics, and I've got some ribbons, and I'm going to use this fabric here as a base to do my fabric slashing. Okay, so on my fabric I am going to just fold it in half. I've got my scrap fabrics here, and I'm literally going to design them on this half of the fabric. And I'm going to put my least bricks that I want to show up at the bottom, and I really want some of the brighter yellows and the fluorescent colours fabrics to be at the top. I've also got a bit of a pink plastic bag there which I'm actually going to chuck on and see how that is for cutting into later. Cerise pink, and I'm just layering up where I want things to go. Pinky one over there. So I've got all my fabrics. I'm going to get some ribbon. I'm going to just layer. So I've just tested to see sort of how thick this whole thing is, and it is getting quite thick, so I might push those flannelly bits separately, and I think that's possibly enough. And then you fold over the top part, and then clips that I'm going to put around the piece just to hold the fabric together. Next I'm going to choose some thread colours that I want to be, well, they're not going to be seen that much, to be fair. Some of these bright colours here. I'm thinking this one. I am literally going to sew some straight lines down here. Wind the bobbin up. Doesn't take long. I've just started doing some runner stitch along the lines. Ta-da! And all that's left to do is to cut out the fabric. Made a little slip here with my small scissors, and then I'm going to get my larger fabric scissors and just do one layer at a time. You see what's happening. So here we are, I've cut through most of the layers. It was quite tough cutting through some of the flannel fabric. Each fabric piece at a time shouldn't be too much of a struggle. But yeah, really happy with that. The machine has just exposed all those amazing colours underneath. Lots of frayed kind of edges, which is what I was looking for. You could chop a couple of these threads that are kind of over it a little bit. It's exactly what I was looking for. So I will leave it with you and see if you want to have a go. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me today, and do subscribe if you liked this video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you very soon in the next video. Take care now.